Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who dreams of long road trips, quiet campsites, and having the freedom to travel without sacrificing comfort, then today's motorhome is definitely worth your attention. In this video, we're taking a very detailed, in-depth look at the Dethleffs Trend I 7057 EBL, a German-built motorhome that has earned a strong reputation for reliability, intelligent design, and excellent value for money. We'll walk through the exterior, the driving experience, the interior layout, sleeping comfort, kitchen, bathroom, storage, insulation, and finally, who this motorhome is really best suited for. So grab a coffee, sit back, and let's start the tour. Let's begin with the exterior, because first impressions matter, especially when you're investing in a motorhome meant to last for many years. The Dethleffs Trend I 7057 EBL features a clean, modern exterior design that looks both professional and stylish on the road. The integrated body gives it a sleek appearance, while the large panoramic windshield not only improves visibility, but also adds to that premium feel typically seen in higher-end motorhomes. Built on the trusted Fiat Ducato chassis, this motorhome offers excellent road stability and handling. Whether you're cruising on highways, navigating winding mountain roads, or entering tight campsites, the chassis provides confidence and control. The aerodynamic front profile also helps with fuel efficiency, which is an important factor for long-distance travel. The exterior storage access points are well-positioned and easy to use, and the build quality feels solid throughout, which is exactly what you expect from German engineering. Under the hood, the Trend I 7057 EBL is powered by a 2.2-liter multi-jet diesel engine, delivering smooth and reliable performance. This engine is well-suited for a motorhome of this size, offering enough power for overtaking, hill climbs, and fully loaded travel. Inside the cab, the driving position is upright and commanding. Large mirrors, excellent visibility, and intuitive controls make driving stress-free, even for those new to integrated motorhomes. The ride is comfortable, stable, and surprisingly quiet, which makes long driving days far more enjoyable. Safety features and driver assistance systems further enhance confidence behind the wheel, making this motorhome a solid choice for extended touring. Stepping inside, you immediately notice how bright and spacious the interior feels. Large side windows, roof hatches, and the panoramic windshield allow plenty of natural light to enter, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. The interior color palette is neutral and calming, with high-quality materials that feel durable yet comfortable. Everything is laid out logically, making daily living easy and intuitive. The front lounge area is one of the strongest features of the Dethleffs Trend I 7057 EBL. You'll find a comfortable L-shaped seating area combined with swivel captain's chairs, creating a generous space for dining, relaxing, or entertaining guests. The dining table is sturdy, adjustable, and large enough for meals, laptops, or board games. This is the kind of space where you can enjoy a quiet morning coffee, work remotely, or relax in the evening after a day of exploring. Moving into the kitchen, Dethleffs focuses on functionality and efficiency. The kitchen is equipped with a 3-burner gas hob, a deep stainless steel sink, and ample countertop space for food preparation. Storage is excellent, with overhead cabinets and drawers designed to keep everything secure while driving. The large refrigerator is perfect for extended trips, allowing you to stock up on fresh food and drinks. Whether you're cooking simple meals or preparing full dinners, this kitchen offers everything you need. The bathroom area showcases Dethleffs' clever design philosophy. Despite limited space, you get a separate shower area, a proper toilet, and a sink with mirror and storage. The layout allows you to enjoy real comfort without feeling cramped. For travelers who spend a lot of time off-grid, having a usable and comfortable bathroom makes a huge difference, and this motorhome delivers on that front. At the rear, the twin bed layout is one of the highlights of the Trend I 7057 EBL. The elevated single beds are easy to access and provide excellent sleeping comfort. They can also be combined into a large sleeping area if needed, offering flexibility for different travel styles. The quality of the mattresses and the ventilation in the sleeping area ensure restful nights, even during long journeys. Storage is a major advantage of this motorhome. The rear garage is spacious and easily accessed, making it perfect for bikes, outdoor gear, or additional luggage. Inside the living space, numerous cabinets and compartments ensure everything has its place. This thoughtful storage design allows you to travel fully equipped without clutter. The Dethleffs Trend I 7057 EBL is built for year-round travel. High-quality insulation, efficient heating systems in solid construction ensure comfort in both cold winters and warm summers. This makes it ideal for travelers who don't want to limit their adventures to one season. So, who should consider the Dethleffs Trend I 7057 EBL? This motorhome is ideal for couples or solo travelers who value comfort, reliability, and smart design. It's perfect for long road trips, extended stays, and travelers who want premium features without paying luxury class prices. In conclusion, the Dethleffs Trend I 7057 EBL offers an impressive combination of German engineering, intelligent layout, and excellent value for money. It's comfortable, practical, and built to support real-world travel. If you're looking for a motorhome that feels like a home on wheels, this one definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this detailed walkthrough, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth motorhome tours and RV reviews.